Alright, so I got unboxing from this company. Where it is? There's a fingerboard. Wheels. Not fingerboard wheels. And I'm gonna open it. Let's see how they look. Let's open. Ooh, look at these wheels. Some nice wheels. You got a sticker too. I'll open it up and show you. Look at these. Look at these beauty. Everything wheels. You got a sticker. It's called Bravo wheels. And yeah, I'm gonna set it up and show you. Yeah. Alright, I just opened the package. It's called Bravo wheels. Shout out to them. I just got them out. I haven't set them up yet. And they look really nice. They feel nice too. I want to see how they perform. I just opened it. See? Nothing. Alright. Let's set them up and show you what it looks like. For the first time, first spin, is nice. Oh, you guys can hear that. Putting on the mic. I got one wheel in. I got the other one. Alright. So I got the wheels in my trucks. And they feel really smooth inside for the leg. It's so nice. It's so big too. You guys are so nice. Yeah. Flatface G16 with blue trucks and Bravo rear end wheels. And a lot of, and it's just foam grip, but I got a lot of it. A lot of foam grip, so yeah. Alright.